Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Organics makes a great conditioner. This is their Pracaxi Recovery Oil. It has Brazilian Pracaxi oil and Murumuru butter. My hair is very dry ever since I started coloring it again, and I've noticed when I use this conditioner, it leaves my hair soft, moisturized. I leave it in while I'm in the shower, and then I also apply a little bit when my hair is damp still, and I can go to bed with it like that, and then in the morning it's nice and soft. So I would really recommend this if you do have curly hair or wavy hair. This is a great conditioner to add all of that hydration back into your hair that you really need. And it smells really good. I like the texture of this as well. It does not leave my hair greasy or overly oily or anything like that. So if you're looking for a new conditioner that is going to be great for your hair, then I would highly recommend this one, but that is just my point of view.